Again, good morning, grade 7. Um, Supposed to be, we will now go to the next activity. But then again, upon checking on your LMS, only one performed the activity. Let me share my screen. Can you see my shared screen now? Grade 7.
Yeah.
Okay, please turn on your camera. Again, please turn on your camera. Okay, so this is your activity number 1. Okay, I actually opened this one last February 19. Okay, that's last week. And only Miguel performed. And Miguel, please do review your answers. Are you still with us, Miguel? Miguel? Okay. Please review your answers. Right? So again, this would be the last time that I'll be opening the activity. Again, reminding everyone, this would be the last time that I'll be opening the activity. Or else you need to move forward. Since you need to continue with the next activity. Right? I'll be opening again the activity today. Only today. By next meeting, we need to move forward with the discussion and the rest of the activities. Right? Chances are already given. Today would be the last chance that you will do the activity. Do you have any concerns? Questions?
No.
Again, today is February 22. We started at 9:08. And supposed to be, we are done with activity number 1. That's the introduction. So you cannot actually start unless you did the activity 1, which is the introduction, in order for you to participate during the discussion, in order for you also to have a knowledge beforehand with the topic, introduction to waves, light, and sound. Right? Activity number 1, I opened this last February 19, but only Miguel actually did or submitted the said activity. The rest didn't do the activity. That is why I am now opening again activity number 1 for the last time before we move to the next activity or the discussion. Right? Am I making that clear? Grade 7?
Yeah.
Okay. I am expecting for an output this afternoon until 5 p.m. Okay? Grade 7? I think that'll do it for today, class. I'll be ending this meeting in order for you to do your activity for the last time. Okay? Thank you and goodbye, grade 7. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.